This is going to be this New Haven tambour number 50 doing 7:30 and 8 o'clock. This clock dates from 1924, best I can date it, round about there. Here it goes. I'm moving it slowly. Warning. The leather in the hammer that's in it is new soft leather, so it doesn't sound very harsh like hard dried out leather does. While it's not very loud, to me it sounds pretty nice. And I'm not exactly sure if that's the original finish or not. I haven't seen one exactly like that, so you let me know if you have. But either way, I like the finish. Thank you very much for watching.